Born in 1949 in Dharamshala, Vijay Aggarwal studied mechanical engineering at NIT Warangal and began his manufacturing career at Hela, Faridabad.
It was very difficult to start a mechanical factory. I left the job and started an entrepreneur course in Punjab Engineering College. I taken 52,200 rupees from my father for got encouraged and started my first unit, HIM Chemicals and Fertilizer.
Though his first business gained acceptance among Punjab's farming community, the unrest of the 1980s abruptly changed its course. That disruption became direction, leading Vijay Aggarwal back to mechanical engineering and into forging with Itcher tractors.
My unit, HIM Chemicals and Fertilizer, it is the bank of the Sarsa River. I could not able to put all hammers over there. I am the first industrialist in Baddi who has put up a unit. With the two hammers, I started the unit.
From modest beginnings, HIM Teknoforge has grown over 4 decades into a multi-location forging and machining powerhouse, supplying critical components to Indian and global OEMs. Today, it operates integrated units across Himachal, MP, and Gujarat, built on scale, technology adoption, and long-term customer trust.
I was definitely new, did not know anything about manufacturing, so learned a lot from him. He showed me the ways, he showed me how things work.
With a workforce running into the thousands across locations, the company continues to invest in advanced manufacturing technologies, automation, and in-house quality inspection to support export growth and high-precision requirements.
I really tell you, in the industry, you have to learn yourself. Try new tooling, new machines, and then you have to put another machine. But you have to invest. That is the only theory, that is the mantra